What's up? It's your girls, Twin Goddesses, and I'm Alicia, and I am back with some newness from one of my favorite wig companies, Afsisterwigs. So if you guys are interested in this unit, definitely check the description box down below where everything is going to be linked for you. But this is Afsisterwigs' brand new knot-free wig. This wig is designed to give the illusion of invisible knots because most wigs require 3 to 5 strands of hair in each lace hole, whereas Afsisterwigs unit only requires 1 to 2 strands, giving the appearance of a knot-free invisible knot unit, making it one of the most natural units on the market. But the cap construction of this one is a glueless, so it does have the combs on the inside and adjustable straps. Now the texture that I have mine in is this gorgeous yaki texture. It mimics a loose wave on a kinky base, so you guys can see just how natural this unit looks. And one thing I do love about Afsisterwigs units is that clear Swiss melted lace. This hairline does come pre-plucked. Those knots are bleached, making this unit one of their most time-consuming units that they offer on their site. So you can expect this unit to be extremely complex to make, however, worth the investment. Now we are going to get into styling this unit. One thing that I always do with all of my wigs is lay the edges. I used to be into baby hairs, I still am, but lately I've been really loving the look of just a nice clean hairline. So I take some gel and apply that to the edges, and then I like to take my edge band just to lay it. It's going to make it look extremely natural. Now about this hair, I've been getting a lot of requests to style my kinky straight yaki units. So what I'm going to do here first is flatten the hair just a bit. We're not making this hair extremely silky, we are just taming it because I do find that it was a bit frizzy. So I am taking my flat iron and just going through the hair, making it nice and manageable and kind of silky to the touch. And then I'm going to apply my wet and wavy cream, or you can use a hairspray, whatever you choose. This is all I had on hand, so I just went ahead and used that. I'm going to split the hair into 2 even sections, and I am going to do a hack that I saw on TikTok where you would take a long sock, you place the toe part of the sock on top of the head, and then you clip it down, and then you wrap sections of the hair around the sock. So every time I'm going around the sock, I am taking a new section of hair, and then the ankle part of the sock, or should I say the opening of the sock, I am just going to place that over the hair to hold it in place. I love this method because it's effortless. It creates some really nice loose body waves, and for those of you guys who don't have time in the morning, you can do this at night and you can let it set, and it creates a really cute effortless style. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna let this set overnight, and then I'm gonna show you guys the results.
Like a lost emotion, yeah. Got used to being so complacent. Seen the weather change, but I'm staying frozen. I can't move till the path is chosen.
Okay, so it is the next day. You guys can see those loose body waves. Now I do take a curling iron just to refresh the front of it, and I'll do that later. And I also went ahead and I got that lace cut off camera, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get the unit on. You guys can see just how natural that hairline looks. This unit also features their clear meltable lace, so you guys can see just how it's looking against my skin tone. What I'm going to do right now is just adhere this unit down by taking my Got2b Blast Freeze spray and just apply a bit of it along my forehead and blow dry it down so that it becomes sticky. And then I like to go over it a few times and do the same method again by blowing it down. And once it gets very tacky, I like to just place that lace on top, and you guys can see just how it melts down. That's one thing I do love about Afsisterwigs is that their unit is extremely meltable. Now once it's actually down, I like to take a melting band just to further melt it and go over it again with the blow dryer just to make sure that it is adhered properly. And then during that time, I like to go in and just kind of style the hair or just prep the hair for a style later. I went ahead and cut some layers in the hair, and you guys can see how the unit looks. I do feel like it did come up a bit light on my complexion, so it is an easy fix. You can take foundation powder or liquid foundation and apply that along the lace, and I always like to set it with some powder just so it doesn't bead up in case it is warm out. And I did choose to create some light baby hairs. I didn't do anything too drastic. I just cut a bit of the hair in the front and swooped it down, and I went ahead and did the same thing on the other side, just taking a small section of the hair in the front and cutting it down to the length that I wanted, and then I just take a little bit of my mousse and just apply it to there and swoop it. And now I'm just refreshing the curls with my beachy waver just to make those curls pop, because I will say it does fall easily, and this is the style that I came up with. I think that it's very effortless. Y'all can see that hairline, how it's melted, and those invisible knots is A1. I'm loving the texture of this unit. It looks like our hair. And again, y'all, the length of my unit is 20 inches and the density is 150. This is where it falls on me, right into my belly button. And y'all, this hair is soft. Again, look at those invisible knots. Y'all can't tell me that you can see it, okay? There's about 1 to 2 strands of hair in each lace hole, giving the illusion of a natural scalp. And also, because it's like this, that makes styling the hair and parting the hair extremely easy. I'm gonna go ahead and switch up my part to the side because y'all know I am a side part girl. I went ahead and just redirected it by using my hot comb, and I'm going to refresh those curls again because y'all know we gonna make these curls last, okay? And so this is what I came up with, y'all. I am absolutely loving the look. I'm loving the concept of this unit. I feel like it is perfect now that we're transitioning into spring, y'all. This right here is super cute. I'm just loving the way the style came out. Now here are the angles of the hair so you guys can see. Again, this is 20 inches long. I am 5'8" and it falls into my mid back or my belly button area. And y'all, this is how it looks. Again, this comes from Afsisterwigs. Be sure that you guys do get your hands on this unit because this unit is fire. All right, let me know what you guys think of this one. Be honest, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.